Unlike Schrodinger, I believe you need to know what you're calculating before you're calculating it. Therefore, you won't need to put in probabilities because we're not betting here. As I went over Schrodinger's work, I'm like, 60% of the time, it works every time. No, it doesn't. Go fuck yourself. Just like we know from thermodynamics, you can approximate the system and still get the right answer. It only evens out on the larger scales. So if you do probabilities, of course you're going to get that. No, I am that thinking's inversion. Public hate into love conversion. Can't you see we're on a verge of a knowledge explosion? Deuces.